These are the New Balance 410 trail running shoes. These came out of the box in absolutely perfect condition. Here you see the view of the shoe from the outside. Here you see the view of the shoe from the inside, from the heel, from the toe, from the top. And here you have what I like to call the profile of the shoe. It really looks and feels like it would be very, very comfortable to run in it. It seems like this foam would have tremendous shock absorption, which is something that you need for your kinetic chain from your toes all the way up your spine, all the way up to here. The shock when your feet hit the ground affects all of that, and this looks like it would give you an excellent cushioning. Good quality to the manufacturer of it, good quality control. All we have left to do is try it on. Put these over there. It's kind of not fair to jump up and down in these on this floor. It's a padded floor, but still, what luxury to have this underneath my feet. Okay, let's line them up so you can see them. I wonder if I have a future in being a shoe model. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Just like all of the other New Balance shoes that I have worn over the years, I think that this New Balance 410 is a great shoe.